Hello, good morning students. In this session, let us recall Chapter 7 Python Functions. Contents of this session are anonymous functions and built-in and mathematical functions. First, anonymous function. Anonymous function is a function that is defined without a name. It is defined using the lambda keyword. It is also called as lambda function. Lambda function can take any number of arguments and must return one value in the form of expression. So in Python, an anonymous function means a function that is without a name. And we already know that the def keyword is used to define a normal function in Python. Similarly, here the lambda keyword is used to define an anonymous function in Python. And this function can have any number of arguments, but only one expression is must, which is evaluated and written. So this is called anonymous function. And this is the syntax for anonymous function. First lambda keyword, then arguments, next expression. And in the given example, lambda is the keyword for lambda function and it adds argument 1 with argument 2 and stores the result in the variable sum. And the result is displayed using the next following print statements. So we will get the output as the sum is 70 and next the sum is 10. Next we will see built-in and mathematical functions in Python. First, ABS function. It returns the absolute value of a number and it may be an integer or floating point number. So we will get the output as positive number. Next, ORD function. This function returns the ASCII value for the given Unicode character. So the ASCII value for small a is 97 and capital A is 65. So we will get this as output. Next, CHR function. This function returns the Unicode character for the given ASCII value. That is, this function is the inverse of ORD function. So we get the Unicode value capital A and small a for the value 65 and 97 in the output. Next, bin function. The bin function returns the binary version of a specified integer. And here the result will always start with the prefix 0b. So we will get the binary value for 15 and 105 in the output prefixed with 0b. Next, min function. It returns the minimum value in a list. So this function returns the smallest value from the given list. And here we had given the number 2468 and in that the smallest number is 2. So we will get that number as an output. Next, max function. This function returns the maximum value in a list. So it will return the largest number from the given list. And here we had given the number 2, 4, 6 and 8 and in that the largest number is 8. So we will get that number as an output. Next, sum function. It returns the sum of values in a list. So it will add all the numbers in the list. So we will get the output as 8. Next, format function. This function returns the output based on the given format. That is, it may be in binary or in octal or in fixed point notation. Here we are getting the output in binary format. Next, round off function. This function returns the nearest integer to its input. So the number 10.8 is rounded to 11 and next 5.5 is rounded to 6 in the output. Next, today's assignment question is, what is lambda function? So with this I conclude our class today. Thank you.